You gotta love it. You have to love it. We're going to talk about Vertiv. We have to. This is the time to talk about it. I have this in my portfolio, Vertiv, and I'm going to be adding more. In this video, we're going to look at the chart too, so we can see where to buy and all of that. We're going to go through some things. So, Vertiv. This is the website, of course, as you can see. They help people keep things cool. The world depends on data we power and cool. AI stuff. Okay, let's just scroll through just so you can see the website, because a lot of times we don't see the websites of things like this, So I just wanted to show you. This is the guy, Mr. Man here. He came on board, it probably says it here, does it? In 2023 with the company. Well, he's doing well with them, so gotta love him. Okay, here's some other people there. We're just scrolling through. We just want to, just take a little bit of a look. I just want to take a little bit of a look. Hold on. All right, let's look at this. 5.7 billion. Okay, located in Ohio. But they're throughout the world. Yeah, I know that. Look at that. Look how many employees worldwide. Okay, major customers. Look at this. AT&T here. Ericsson. Okay, Tencent, Verizon. Okay, all these people. Okay, so it's a lot going on here. Look into it. Do your homework. I just wanted to bring some of this stuff up so you can see, their global presence and things like that. Vertiv, I'm telling you, this is something here, right? This is something. So look here. Okay, outperform. That's what it's saying. They give it an 8. You're going to read about all this. You're going to do your homework. Okay, why am I interested in it? Well, I like companies. When it was up here at its little tippy top, okay, it was probably over 300%. I like companies that have really been going up for a while. Not one day, not 2 days, and not companies that go all this crap. And then you're right where you started, you never really made a profit. You just end up right where you started, same price points and stuff. So I said, let me show you guys this hidden gem of a stock. Okay. So I said, yeah, let's do that. Here, let's move on. All right, this is the chart. Don't get all freaked out, okay? Because let me tell you, the reason why we're looking at this is so you know right now, okay, we're trading at $90.62. You see we're on the support line. You see this trend line going up, this blue line? Okay, the stock interacted with this area a couple of times. We're here now. So why is this important? Because this looks like we have support. Yeah, we could fall off. We didn't fall off before, and we didn't fall off before back here. Here, when we touched down, let me show you. When we touched down, it was a brief moment. It was like, oh, excuse me, let me get back up. See? Okay, we haven't really fell below this purple line in a while. We're here now. So could we? Yes, because we're below the green. Now, what are these lines? Look here. Look here. Don't get scared. Just pay attention. Okay, the 20 moving day average is the green. Okay, 200 is the gold color down here. Always want to be above that. And this purple is the 50-day. So right now we're below this 21-day moving average and this 50-day. We want to be back above it. But we have a good chance of doing that. Okay? Now, just because we have a good chance and it looks like we would and all that doesn't mean we will, but we could. So you have to be careful entering your position. What do I really want you to see, though, with this also? Okay, look here. You're like, what, Miss Moneymaker? Anything that moves? I am showing you. Hold on. Before I even show you that part, look at this. Look. Look at this also. See that? What do I mean here? When we touched here, we hit our head on the ceiling of a house and we bounced down. Boom, hit our head again, hit our head again. This was resistance. When we came above it, it became support. We bounced off of it like a floor. So I'm saying, even if we drop down a little bit, see right here? See this little? When we dropped right here, stock bounced back up. So $87.50 seems, see, look at this candle doing it, and this one too. seems like support. So we may fall off of this, but we may just go here and then rise up too. Okay, so I feel like we have a better support here. Okay, then we have to be careful because what is the market doing and all that? You never know. Will the market sell off? The market's been going up for a long time now. So maybe it'll continue. You never know. We don't know what the market's going to do. Market sells off, we have to be careful. But I like this stock. Let me just make this a little smaller. What am I showing you now? What am I saying? I'm saying this area in here, to me, is a nice buy zone in here. Anything in the purple box. Boop, 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 boop. This area. Okay, this price level. Okay, so in here. That's a good area to buy. That's what I'm saying. Within here. Okay, so let me just zoom that back down. Okay, because usually I don't want you to say, oh, it never even hit $87.50. It went right here and then came up. It could. So sometimes you don't know, or maybe it'll go like, see, all the way down here and act like it's going to fall out, or maybe it'll fall out a little. So you gotta know, you got a little dollar cost average yourself in. Okay, so this should be a support zone, buy zone in here. That's what I'm saying. I'm buying in here. I'm not telling you to do that because I can't give you financial advice. And also, why are we talking about this again? Hey, because look here, up 298% for the year. It was up more than that when we were up here. And then why also do I like this? Look at this. You're like, what? Okay, so we're at the $90, right? And 62 cents. So right here. When we go back up to our high, you see the blue box? Hold on. Just let me move this over. See right in here? See where it says 19%? Okay, we can gain 19%. This is a nice 19% gain right here. If we buy here and we go to this level, let me just draw another line up here. See? Okay, so what I'm saying, buy here, sell up here. Why sell up here? I'm not saying sell your whole position or whatever, but take some profit up here because you know this was where we hit our head on the ceiling before and we bounced down. People sold up here before, so they may sell up here again. Eventually, of course, it'll, keep going through it and all the way up. But we can get a nice 19%, probably, could feel like 20, whatever. That's great. That's great. Also, what else do I want to show you? Well, why do I like it? Well, because let's go like this. There's a rule. What's the rule? Well, the rule is, hold on, right. Okay, boom, right there. What's the rule, Miss Moneymaker? We want a risk-reward ratio above a 3. Okay, that's 3.12. Okay, see, right in here. Right in there, boom, zoom, zoom. Okay, you always want to be above a 3, and the higher the better. So down here, this red box, you would say to yourself, if we go below this price, hold on, below this price here, I would sell because it's going too low, right? I would sell. I would have a stop loss in your brokerage account. Okay, so to sell if we go below that. Okay, that's all, because that's the most you want to risk, let's say. Because when we're falling out of this, it's like, hey, I didn't sign up for all this, going all the way down here to the gates of hell. No, I didn't sign up for that. But if we buy here and we go all the way up here, this is like a 3 to a 1. Okay? The odds are in your favor. We like that. We don't just do stuff willy-nilly. So you always have to have a plan. The other thing, too, is that some people, you look at something like this VRT, if you buy up here, right, and that happens to people, then all of a sudden you're like, why is the stock going? Then you sell, right? You start selling. Then next thing you know, you done sold, and what is the stock about to do? Go up again, because you're buying at the wrong times. So these videos that help you buy at the right times when the stocks are in a good position, especially a stock. Look at this. It's not its first day. It's not day one here for the stock. It's been doing this for a while. So this is 6 months, year to date, 1 year, 3 months. This right here, 1 week to a month, because everything has to come down a little bit. Okay, everything has to take a break and rest. It's like when you're running up a flight of stairs eventually, you want to get to the landing and take a breather. Okay? Look how long this stock has been going up. Look all the way back here. Look at this. Come on, all the way back here. This is 2024, going all the way back. So you're going to 2023. See, it's not its first day. So I like stocks like this. Okay, these are my hidden gems. These are my Easter eggs. This is what I put in my portfolio, because stocks like this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I just switched time frames. That's all I did. 4-hour time frame, same stock. This is what keeps me nicely green. Okay, now even for me, okay, this might be getting a little too busy. Let me just take this off. Okay, so you can see. For me, I'm okay holding it if it goes to this gold line. Okay, I'm okay holding it, because I'll just dollar cost average my little self all in, because I know this is a great performer for the year. I know that. So I'm into it. Because once again, look how long it's been doing it. Look at that. Okay, this is 2023. This is August. It's like, please, it's not day one here. So yeah, I'm into this. I wanted to show you this, like I said. So you could set some alerts, set some limit orders if you want to buy low here. I like to have in my brokerage account, I like to set some limit orders for lower prices. It's kind of like Christmas. Like, oh, if we go here, I'll have an order set to buy. Like, it'll automatically buy for me. Like I say, $81, $82. Because when it hits down here, it might, see how it hit here? But as soon as it hit, poof, it bounced up so fast. You see that? Yeah, that's because some people probably have orders, they were already here, set to like a limit order, set to buy if it hit here. And then so many people have orders set, like I would have orders set to buy. This thing is going to go blip, blip, blip. We're going to go up. People go like, oh yeah, especially when you cross these two lines. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all that. We're not going to get into all that. I just want to leave you with something nice. Alrighty. Miss Mary Oliver, she said, tell me, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life? She was a poet, Mary Oliver, a poet. She wrote this famous poem, Summer's Day. Okay, so what is that? What is that thing? Tell me, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life? Write it in the comments below. See you next time. Click like and subscribe.